Hello and welcome to a new video on this blog. Today I will attempt to break a world record. I will try to activate as many WordPress plugins on my blog as I will be able to activate. So let's see. We have here on my blog 769 WordPress plugins installed. There are the plugins I built and many other famous and popular WordPress plugins. You will find here Yoast and page builders, SEO tools, caching tools, and many WooCommerce and many other caching and email translation, YouTube plugins. There the list is very wide. So first of all, let's attempt a mass activation of them. Let's check everything. I doubt that this will work, but let's try this out. First of all, let's check. I'm running WordPress 5.04 and let's click activate for all of them. Now let's see what will happen. So all the plugins are currently being activated. I highly doubt that this will work, but let's see what happens. I paid for many from here, many plugins from here, and yeah. Now I am trying to mass activate them all at once. So let's see what will happen now. Okay, so it is still activating. Let's wait it out. Let's see until then what plugins we have here in this huge list. Oh, and something happened. I see that some plugins are activated now, but let's see the list. Are all active? I don't think so. Let's see the plugins list. As you can see, there are some errors from contact form 7. Yeah. Okay, now let's scroll down. Oh, only until here they activated. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's try once again. Shall we? Mass activation. Or this button, this checkbox will not select them all anymore. Yeah, okay, something from here broke the mass selection feature in WordPress. Okay, now let's go ahead and manually check them. Let's see, okay. Okay, we have reached the letter D. This is good. Until Z, we still have quite a bit. E. Let's activate everything until we get the letter E. Activate, and let's wait this out. I am really curious what will happen now. click missile just broke my site. Okay, this is interesting. Let's get back. I also have here direct access to the plugin folder, so I guess I can just go ahead and deactivate the HMT click missile plugin if it is still breaking my site. Let's check my site. Oh, it has quite a loading time right now. As you can see, it is still loading. And there are also some warnings. Okay, so this is the site. Besides the loading time and the errors, it's still functional. Okay, now let's see what we activated for now. The content maker. Okay, so let's skip this. Cookie notice. Okay, so I hope you are doing well. And also, I hope you had a great day until now. You are here with me activating plugins. Okay, now let's click each and every one. We are once again to letter E. Activate, apply. Let's see what happens now. Oh yeah, let's delete the HMT click missile. So this is breaking content. And let's try again. Let's see what will happen now. Really interesting. Opa. Okay, I think we have now more plugins active. Let's go ahead and check what the plugin menu looks like. Why, there are many notifications now, and I think my site is already broken, but still HMT click missile, you still are here? You are still here? You should not be. I deleted you. HMT click missile. You guys still see this? No, it's not here. Okay, I think it's back. Okay, now let's go. We have still this. Oh my god, this will take an eternity to activate. Okay, but we don't give up. We take a smaller batch and activate. Okay, I think my site's broken right now. Yeah, the front end is still displaying, but the back end, it's kind of fishy. Okay, so what happens now? Nothing. Something's moving. Okay, we're back. Here. Okay, we're back in action. Now, let's go ahead and activate from bottom up. This is a better approach maybe. So let's change our tactics and head from bottom to top. Activate things. More until X. So we activated everything until letter X from the bottom. Now let's activate, apply, and let's see what will happen. Also, there are some more warnings and errors and deprecated messages, but we are not interested in them. We ignore them. Okay, now we're still waiting for the bottom part of plugins to activate. When something broke again, don't worry. We just check this plugin. So yeah, this delete. Okay, we got rid of this plugin because it created issues. Okay, so what happens now? I'm not sure what will happen now. Something's moving. Okay, guys, we're once again back. Oh my god, there are still many plugins that got activated. Yeah, my admin menu is quite large now. Let's go to plugins, and the warning is still about YouTube channel gallery, which is gone by now. Some caching plugins must play a role in this thing, that the warning is still about a plugin that is no more. Okay, it seems that the second refresh once again got us back to normal, but still we still have quite a bit of quite some plugins to activate. Let's check this checkbox again. JavaScript is broken, so this checkbox will not help us. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this and activate. Once again, we broke something. There are more and more site breakdowns. Yeah, I'm not sure if what I wanted can be accomplished. So right now I'm starting to doubt that I will be able to activate one uh, all plugins from this blog that are installed on this blog. Yeah. So which is the record? So let's check how many are active right now from the 767 or something. So yeah, we're thinking, and here it is. There are 178 active and still 589 to go. Okay, so let's check some more from here. We don't give up. We still don't give up. We still have a site on which we can click things. Click, 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 click. Okay, now with this batch of plugins, we can go ahead and activate things. When will this break? This is the question. When will the site and the WordPress install break? Okay, we got something. Oh, I just got an idea. So there is a plugin, CC Auto Activate plugins. Yeah, this one. Let's try to use it to make our work much easier. So if we activate this plugin, it will try to activate by itself all other plugins it finds in the plugins directory. So like this, it will try to activate all the plugins for us. Let us search for this plugin, and here it is, CC Auto Activate Plugins. Let's activate it, and let's see what it will create and what will happen. So it is activating right now, and as we can see, there is a fatal error. Let's delete the source of the fatal error. As we can see, we fixed it. Okay, so custom Facebook feedback plugin. Let's see where this is. Custom Facebook feed. So this is not needed. Okay, so let's go ahead and refresh this page again to see what we will get this time. So it seems that the CC Auto Activate plugin. Okay, so WooCommerce is needed for a plugin to function. Okay, so it seems that we need to go to WooCommerce and activate it first. Okay. Now let's change the CC folder, the CC Auto Activate plugin folder. But where it is? Here it is. So we will rename this to disable the CC Auto Activate plugin. So it needs to be disabled, because if it is not disabled, then it will try to activate things. So to put it on pause, we need to disable it. We disabled it now, and let's refresh our blog, activate WooCommerce, and commence auto activating us of all our plugins once again. So yeah, we got our WordPress black. Let's go to plugins and go ahead once again and activate WooCommerce. So we got a bit lucky with this auto activator plugin. Using it we can make good work. So let's wait for plugins to activate and let's see what's our score right now. So I'm curious. 767 and 199. Still only 100 plugins. And where's WooCommerce? There you are. Activate. So after we activate WooCommerce, we can go ahead and activate CC Auto Activator plugin, and it should be able to do its job once again and activate all our plugins from this folder in order. Okay, so let's wait for WooCommerce a bit to come online. I still don't think that I will manage to activate all plugins from this blog, so I still highly doubt this, but okay, so WooCommerce is active. Let's go and check on our CC Auto Activate plugin. And when this is activated, as you know, it will start to activate all other plugins. So once again, something broke. SEO image. So SEO image, delete, refresh. Are we at letter S already? Or is this plugin not activated plugins in alphabetic order? I'm not sure because I did not create the CC Auto Activator plugin, but it seems that it is trying now to activate a plugin with letter S. I'm not sure what this means, if it already got there or it takes random order plugins. Let's wait for this a bit more. I'm very curious what will happen. So now it seems that activation takes a bit more and nothing breaks so far. What do you think? We will have all plugins activated now. This would be really nice to have all 700 plugins up and running. However, I still doubt this. Once again, a small error, feed SEO. So the feed SEO plugin, this one needs to be skipped. Okay. So as you can see, these are small incompatibilities because there is a function with the same name in two plugins. It is already declared in the Buttonizer plugin and it was declared once again in the feed SEO. So these two plugins are not compatible one with each other, with another. So because of this, we have to get rid of one of them. Okay. So our little CC plugin is doing its job once again, and it's going and activating automatically all plugins from this blog. How many warnings and errors and deprecated messages will we get on our final blog when all the plugins will be activated? What do you think? I think there will be there will be quite some of them. Okay, so activation, connection reset. Okay, something happened and something still broke. Let's try to refresh our page to see if things are still working or not. So the page is refreshing now. I'm not sure if this is good or bad. Did we fully broke our site and it is not responding at all? Or it is just a temporary error? Let's see. So if we refresh things, come on, come on, you can do it. Come on. Oh my God, it is not showing anything. Okay, so how much more time should I wait for this? The site is still loading. I still hope that the CC automatic activator plugin is still doing its job. Okay. I think we can go ahead and deactivate the CC plugin manually and try to refresh the blog to see if without the CC plugin we get something or the site is fully dead now, which would be really bad because we don't know how many plugins are active on our blog. So let's go ahead then and rename the CC Auto Activator plugins folder to disable it. So let's find it. Here it is. Our blog is still waiting for something showed. Okay, something happened, guys, and no fatal error, no error message, only some notices, warnings, but these are okay, okay. Yes, let's go ahead and deactivate this plugin. So if you change the folder in which the plugin is, at the next refresh of WordPress, it will be automatically deactivated. Okay, so let's check WordPress admin if we still can get something out of it. I'm refreshing now the WordPress admin without the CC Auto Activator plugin to see if something happens without that plugin specifically. This is so interesting. If we would get something now, it would be awesome, but nothing. Okay, so don't let guys this discourage you. Let's go to the front end. So I went to the front end right now. I'm not sure if the front end will work neither. But it is loading now. I think it will load. Come on, front end. Come on, you can do it. You have the force. And whoa, it is looking differently now. It has this cool front page. I think a plugin generated this. Okay. So yeah, things look different now. And I'm curious how many. I can't even select the dashboard, but let's go to menus. I'm curious how many WordPress plugins are active on this blog right now. If there are all, then okay, so the WordPress admin does not want to load. It is not wanting to load for some reason. Okay, so it seems that I have to figure out a way to check how many plugins are active on this blog right now. So this is because the admin of the page is not accessible anymore. But anyway, the front end, this is a beautiful front end with quite a bunch of WordPress plugins installed and activated on it, and it is still loading. Okay, so let me think on a way to check how many WordPress plugins are installed. Okay, so I think I know. This will be the solution. This will list each plugins activated on our blog. So just let's open up a plugin. Let's open up one of my own plugins, this one, and edit this code into it. So it will list all active plugins. Okay, so like this. This little piece of code will list all active plugins on our blog. Now all we have to do is refresh this and see what will happen. So it went quite smooth right now, and here they are. So these are the installed and active plugins. 282. That's still not what I wanted. So yeah, this is still not what I really wanted. I think this attempt to break the world record kind of failed because I hope to get at least 500 plugins active, but got only half of it. So yeah, not a great performance. To be honest, I only got 282. Okay, so yeah, this was, oh, we got our admin back. This means we can try activating more plugins. This is unexpected. Okay, so let's head and get some plugins activated. I'm not sure if this is just, yeah, okay. Okay, but I see that maximum execution time throwed an error. So let's head to PHP ini and increase the maximum execution time value. Here was 40. I put 3000. Let's save this and see what will happen. So in this case, PHP will allow a larger execution time for our plugins. Okay, so the admin is back. This is good. And let's go ahead and activate the CC plugin once again. And let's wait what will happen. So right now we have maximum execution time on the WordPress and PHP set to a large amount of time. We got also the CC auto activate plugins up and running and no fatal errors. This is good, I guess. Let's see what will happen now. So 283, if I remember correctly, was the number of active plugins last time we checked. Let's see this time what will happen. So 283, 282. Okay, this is still 282. It did not grow. And also WordPress is still broken, in a broken state. Yeah, I'm not sure if this will move any more. This is the last time I refresh this, and if it is still 282, I will give up. Yes. So yeah, this depends also on the types of plugins you select. So as you can know, if I would select only some lightweight plugins to activate, then this number would be much greater, but I selected totally random plugins. So fully random plugins, and most of them are quite large, and as you can see, some are not so well written because they actually break. Okay, however, this is the record. This is a personal record. I think of it as a personal record. 282 active plugins on my blog. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, activate the bell icon after you subscribe to it. And until next time, don't forget to stay awesome. I now have to repair this blog of mine. Have a nice day. Bye bye.